Welcome to the DT Video Podcast. The DT Spare Parts brand offers a complete range with more than 30,000 different spare parts for trucks, trailers, and buses, including all standard reaction rods. Reaction rods, in conjunction with V-stays, take over all axle control functions and thereby significantly improve the dynamic driving properties of a commercial vehicle. On account of the high axle loads and efficiency, rigid axles have established themselves in commercial vehicles. Among the main components of wheel suspension in the case of air-sprung axles are the so-called reaction rods. These ensure an optimal axle location with the frame and provide the drive and braking torque support. The result is ideal wheel control and optimum driving comfort. All DT Spare Parts brand reaction rods are manufactured from high-quality materials. A hardness test and examination of all materials is carried out in-house. Professional compressing of the joint pieces ensures a secure connection with high strength. The dimensions of all products comply with the specifications of the original manufacturer, thus ensuring optimum accuracy of fit. You can durably trust products of the DT Spare Parts brand in guaranteed quality. Ask your parts dealer for DT Spare Parts brand products and see for yourself. For further information, visit our website at dtspareparts.com. DT Spare Parts. Genuine quality, durable trust. Thank you and see you next time.